Months after nursing student Laken Riley was killed, allegedly at the hands of an illegal immigrant, the highly anticipated murder trial begins this week, and a judge is now denying a last-minute motion to suppress evidence against the suspect. 22-year-old Riley was reported missing back in February after failing to return from a morning jog on the University of Georgia's campus in Athens. Well, later that day, her body was found in a wooded area, and police arrested Jose Ibarra, a 26-year-old Venezuelan citizen who was charged with her murder. Mills Hayes is here now with more this morning. Mills, what do we know about this latest development right as this trial is expected to begin this week?
Good morning, Markie. Well, basically, the defense is asking the court to exclude certain pieces of evidence from being presented to the jury. Jury selection will begin this Wednesday. Now, when this happens, it mostly happens if they believe that evidence was obtained unlawfully, as if through an illegal search or without a warrant. Now, the defense argued that key evidence against the defendant was collected in violation of the defendant's rights. In this case, the defense is trying to exclude Ibarra's fingerprints on Riley's phone and cell phone data from two phones found in Ibarra's apartment. The judge decided that there wasn't enough evidence allowing prosecutors to present this potentially critical evidence to the jury. Markie?
And what can we expect when the trial begins on Wednesday, Mills?
Expect both sides to lean heavily on forensic evidence, witness testimonies, and any statements made by the accused. Illegal immigration, which had been so central to this year's presidential election, will loom large in the case as well. The idea that Jose Ibarra should never have been in this country without being properly vetted by immigration officials. Based on the defense argument to suppress evidence, expect that side to try and pick apart the forensic evidence to try and instill doubt in the minds of the jury. Now, NewsNation has confirmed that Ibarra entered the U.S. illegally in September 2022 in El Paso, Texas. He originally came from Venezuela, spent some time in New York City, and then moved to Georgia. Markie?
It's a huge case and a very emotional week for her family. We'll stay on top of it every step of the way. Mills, thank you so much. We'll check back in. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.